Hello everybody, this is Feira from Feira Coins. We gonna do unboxes from just receive a package from NGC. Inside we will have trade order, a lot of Carson cities, and Euro coins. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's take a look at it. So the first coin is 1888 O Morgan Dollar Top 100. It's a TTO hot lips. So basically, on the lips of the marker, you gonna see top of lips. One on top, the superior lips part, you're gonna see another lips. It's a low grade, it's only 58, but this coin in high grade costs top dollar. It's not easy to find it. So that's 1888 O Hot Lips. That's the nickname. This one is 1878 silver trade dollar. Created at XF45. Have a little dark patina on it, which is normal. The rest of those coins will be Morgan silver dollars para the Carson series. Some coins have a low graded, but it's really hard to find take. And I hope you guys enjoy. It start off 1893 Carson City on fine details. That's the first year, 1878, Morgan, Carson City, F12. Another one, 1878, Carson City, F15. (1882) Carson City, F12. 1882 Morgan, Carson City, MS 63. Beautiful patina, beautiful luster. (1884) Carson City, MS 63. The last but not least, 1883 Morgan, Carson City, MS 64. Beautiful, beautiful field. All those coins will be available next week online, this week in store. If somebody interested, just contact us before I put online. That's all I have for today. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time.